Hello friends, today we will discuss about Mod Layer 2.R live airdrop. This could be a better version of Manta or Blast. This airdrop has been confirmed. For joining, click on the link I provided into the description and you need to follow some steps. You need to connect your wallet and bridge assist to mod. You can earn point by bridging assists to the mod network. The best part is that you will earn the point while you assists are on the network and also withdraw your assists whenever you want. So there is no lockup involved. For more details and videos and latest news about airdrops, don't forget to subscribe us, like and share our video.